everybody on YouTube. It is your boy Jay Smooth, and I'm back at y'all with another video. Actually, I'm back with something new that I might add, because I don't want to restrict my channel to being strictly about sneakers. I love sneakers, don't get me wrong, but I'm also a fashion enthusiast. I like to do things. I like to be creative. I like to customize things, tweak it, make it Jay Smooth. So on this video, I'm going to be teaching y'all how to customize denim jeans, jacket, just denim in general. If you want your pants to look something like this or something different, stay tuned to the video. Now that y'all stay tuned to the video, we're gonna first break off everything that you need. You need fabric markers, preferably black, because you're gonna draw your outline of whatever you're tracing in black. Then you need your brushes. This is a 4-pack. I just didn't put the other brush in the pack. And then you're gonna need fabric paint. But when you use this, make sure whatever you're customizing, you pre-wash it, and do not use fabric softener. Also, insert cardboard between it. Excuse me for my slur, because my tongue got caught in my mouth. But insert cardboard between the layers of your clothing. So, like, the fabric markers is going to bleed through the denim. So, you don't want fabric marker on the back part of your leg. So, use cardboard. Also, shake the tube. You just shake the tube with paint. You got to mix the paint. Then, you just apply with a brush. When you're customizing denim, what I use 5 coats of this white fabric paint on my customization, and then I use the blow dryer. You're gonna also need that. The blow dryer is gonna be a lifesaver. It's gonna expedite the process of your painting, because if you just sit there and paint and then let it air dry, you're gonna be waiting there hours, and that'll easily turn into a 5-hour process. When you can use a blow dryer, put it on the high setting, and it'll dry off in seconds, minutes. You're reducing your process by hours by using a blow dryer. You will thank me later. So with these pants, I did a lightning bolt because I seen a pair of Revenge Storms, and I don't know, I just did it, and I like how it turned out, you know. And then I added the paint splatters. But when you're finding your design, you're gonna go on Google and find a picture, print the picture out, and cut it out like how I did with this. You're gonna cut it out, and when you want to put it on your pants, you're gonna, wherever you want to put it on your pants, you're gonna put this like right here, and then you're gonna trace it, and then your outline is gonna be on the pants. And use masking tape so you can keep your area clean around your drawing. Cause as you see on this side, I freehanded this side, and then I've used masking tape on this side. So obviously this side looked better, but I achieved the look that I like on this side with the freehand. So I tried to match it as much as possible, and I added the paint splatters to add a little flavor. And then I put the holes right here because distressed denim is in right now. This is the style. Everyone like distressed denim. Everyone like holes in their pants. Well, I'm not gonna say everyone, but yeah. So I'm not gonna hold up any long. I'm gonna play a couple time-lapse videos of me working on the pants. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm back. It's my bad, y'all. I was supposed to be playing the time lapse, but my dumb self forgot another supply that you needed. You need gloves. Put gloves on your hands. You're gonna thank me later, because the gloves, you don't want paint on your hands. Like you see that little bit of paint right there? Yeah, gloves prevent that. And plus, it just better, and you're gonna need it for the second part of this customization with the paint splatters. So yeah, now to the time lapse. Alright, y'all, that's the vid. I would like for y'all to like this video if y'all learned something, subscribe to the channel if y'all learned something, and ring that notification bell so you can be informed on my posts. OG Smooth Crew members, new Smooth Crew members, I'd like to thank y'all for watching this video. Follow me on Instagram at @1_JSmooth, just like how the channel spelled, just everything together. Cause I would like to talk to my supporters and everyone who subscribed to my channel. It would mean a lot to me if y'all did that for me. Smooth Crew, stay up as we climb the ranks on YouTube, cause we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. It's been your boy J Smooth. Stay safe, Smooth Crew. I'm out.